Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to, I'll be showcasing the, fendt, tractor, and I forgot what type it is, but here's a quick, now I'll do a video of farming tournament. It's a great game, you should get it, super great, but here's the quick showcase, because I got 3 minutes to only record, because I don't even have enough space. My phone is corrupted with a lot of hackers and sexual hackers that are just men, just persons, like adults, men, boys that are like probably older than my dad or something, but they're just hacking to my phone, sending nude pics. It's really disgusting. My phone is being hacked by a lot of hackers, but I need to do this showcase really quick because the video is gonna end for some reason because I don't even have enough space. Here's a showcase. Here's a showcase. Lol. Yeah, you guys are the best. If I don't do videos in a long time, that means I'm I'm quitting YouTube, or I quit YouTube for a little bit. Yeah, it's been stressful. And it's raining for some reason. Uh-oh. No. Oh, it's... Okay, bye. 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 Have a good day.